Hi my honey, this is again your most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace applique. This video is dedicated to you. So let's say together. Start the magic ring in chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 15 double crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Pull the tail on to tighten and make a slab stitch in third chain. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in same stitch. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make a picket. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 10 and make a picket. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 10 and keep going. And the last time, chain 10, make a picket, chain 3 and make a slab stitch in first single crochet. Make a slab stitch in first chain. Make a slab stitch in second chain. Make a slab stitch in third chain. Make a slab stitch in fourth chain. Make a slab stitch in this space. Chain 3. Make 6 double crochets in first space. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make 7 double crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make 7 double crochets in each space. At the end of the round, make a slab stitch in third chain. Chain 2 and make a slab stitch in next stitch. Chain 2 and make a slip stitch in next stitch, chain 2 and make a slip stitch in next stitch and repeat, chain 2 and make a slip stitch in last stitch, make a slip stitch in first stitch, chain 2, make a slip stitch in next stitch, chain 2, make a slip stitch, chain 2, make a slip stitch, chain 2 and make a slip stitch, and the last time, chain 2 and make a slip stitch. Don't crochet, chain 2, crochet slip stitch in next stitch, chain 2 and make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch in first stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for watching. We hope you loved this video. Show us some love by liking, commenting and subscribing. Your feedback keeps us going. Thanks for the thumbs up. Talk to you later.